How's it going, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Polymaker's Panchroma PLA in orange. So I've worked with Polymaker filament before. Love their cardboard boxes, cardboard spools. Always good to see the fact that they come in these nice reusable bags are particularly useful in the event that you're new to the hobby and need some storage for filament. These make a pretty good storage solution in a pinch. Anyway, let's get that open and we can take a look at this nice orange color. Very, very bright orange. But as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this filament dryer, and I will see you back here shortly. Alright, if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy. Apparently, I got the color wrong, so that's on me. But anyway, we always start out by printing a benchy in the generic settings, in this case, generic PLA in Bamboo Studio. We're going to start out and should be a little under 45 minutes, or a little just touch over. But here they are for all that in the test prints. So, basically, just going left to right. We have the generic benchy here. Pretty standard. No real major issues as far as I can tell on it. Maybe a touch of issues with overhangs, but again, nothing super major. So we're going to see about what we can do to make it absolutely perfect. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This one's 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. There was a touch of lifting from the build plate by the looks of it there on the corner, but again, overall, nothing super major. Next up, the temperature tower. Temp tower for this one, the best one looks to be right at 215. Overall, I'd say 215 looks out to be pretty good. Very little stringing and no globbing on that spike. Next up, we have the retraction test. The retraction test turned out relatively well. A touch of stringing, but again, we can rectify that. Next up, we have the max volumetric speed test. Max volumetric speed for this one. We ended up doing 20 millimeters cubed per second. Again, pretty standard. There was some artifacting, as you can see on the early layers there, but overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, the overhang test. The overhang test did fail. There was, for whatever reason, it just lifted off and at 45 early or late 50 degrees. So just something to be on the lookout for if you're choosing to utilize this filament. Next up, we had the settings dialed in and reprinted that benchy. As you can see, we were able to take care of a little bit of some of the minor issues. Again, they were very, very subtle. So at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $18, which is a pretty good price for a kilogram of filament, especially one as consistent as Polymaker's. My overall thoughts is that I think that Polymaker makes pretty good filament. I'm more used to using their PETG, but if you're looking for starting out and need something a little bit less expensive, then the Polymaker Panchroma is pretty good. Anyway, this has been Polymaker's Panchroma PLA in orange. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm a relatively new YouTube channel, and I'd really appreciate the support. Anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, print all the stuff, and I hope to see you back here next time.